I'm extremely sorry for the last part of the last video. Basically, I forgot to make my mobile in a flight mode. For that reason, again, it started ringing. I'm extremely sorry for that. So yes, what we're up to? We're up to the analysis of statistics, right? We're up to the last topic of statistics. So in the last chapter of statistics, we are going to divide the chapter into 4 different chapters. The last part, statistical tools or the statistical weapons which help a particular statistics students to make a proper economic analysis as well as a proper interpretation. This analysis and interpretation, the last chapter, chapter number 3, is segregated into 4 parts. The first chapter under it is, you can see here, central tendency. I guess central tendency is very well known chapter to you. Mean, median and mode. These 3 chapters comes under central tendency. It's all done in class 10. After doing central tendency, we are coming to the second chapter under this part. That is dispersion. Dispersion is a new chapter what you are going to learn in class 11 separately from an economics teacher. Right? The third one is correlation. The word dispersion, sorry I forgot to tell you that the word dispersion means how a particular variable is apart, how a particular variable is somehow apart from its average value. Suppose a variable x is here and the average value of the entire series you got 40. Now that x variable, how much it is far from that 40. This is called dispersion, how much it is dispersed, right? In the third chapter under this part is correlation. Correlation means whenever we collect the data, we collect it in different forms. Suppose I am having 2 sort of series, x series and y series. In x series we are having x1, x2, x3, xn number of values. In y series also we are having y1, y2, y3, yn number of values. Now the x and the y, how these 2 particular variables, x variable and y variable, how these particular 2 variables are interrelated to each other is all about correlation chapter. Right? It might be positively correlated. If x rises, y rises. If x falls, y falls. And they might have an inverse relationship. If x rises, y falls, and vice versa. So different type of correlation can be best understood from this particular chapter. Right? The last topic of our entire syllabus from the statistics part will be index number. Yes. Index number is a very important chapter of statistics. It's a very important chapter for the entire economics part only. Why? Yes, because consumer price index, many of the students, those who are thinking to take economics might be knowing this particular topic or this particular terminology. Consumer price index. How much? I guess you have heard your mom and dad telling that nowadays the price of average commodities has rapidly increased a lot. In our time, though, we had the fuchkas and the samosas at 10 paisa, at 20 paisa. But now 10 and 20 paisa have been there in the historic or the museums and all. Now they have become what? Extinct. Now each commodity has become very much expensive. Now the samosas and the fuchkas that you are going to buy, you will get it at 10 rupees or 5 rupees at a minimum price, right? So that 1 rupee concept, 10 paisa, 20 paisa have become now extinct. From the last few years till now, if we understand the difference in the price value, if you understand any sort of variable and the difference in the variable from its base year till the current year, how the variable have changed, how a particular variable in economics we often go with price variable, P. So how a particular variable price has changed from a base year, that is from a very old year, till the present year, till the current year. This change can be understood with a particular chapter which is known as index number and its formula. So I guess I had made a very easy overview of the syllabus of 80 marks of theoretical part in economics and will be helpful for all the students who are thinking even to pursue economics, right? And the second part of our discussion is the last part, that is the project work. Many of you are having a query that's a project. It's a very new thing for us. How to do that, what to do. there are many sort of discussions, there are many sort of topics that are already been there, which is there in the Cbse official website. I'd like all my students to go through the Cbse official website to just check out what are the different topics that are given in this particular project for class 11. If not, there are many of the teachers that will be helping you as a guide and as a mentor by helping you giving different sort of topics that are related to microeconomics and statistics. So it's your time. Go through the entire syllabus. You're having a pause button in your hand. Make it a pause right there in the particular page, a piece of page, and then check out each topic from the YouTube. It's the best guide that you may have. If you like my video, please do make a like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the further updates. And till then, stay connected. Thank you.